Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookie icing that hardens. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Sifting your powdered sugar is a crucial first step to ensure a perfectly smooth, lump-free icing. Using whole milk or even half and half will give your icing a lovely, rich texture and flavor. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin adding your milk, starting with 2 tablespoons. Mix these ingredients together slowly and thoroughly. The goal here is to achieve a completely smooth consistency, so take your time to ensure all the powdered sugar is fully incorporated without any lumps. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for beautiful cookies. For outlining, you want an icing that holds its shape, similar to toothpaste. If it's too thick, add a few drops of milk. For flooding, the icing should be thinner, flowing smoothly to fill in your outlines without being watery. You can test this by drawing a line. It should disappear within 10 to 15 seconds. Adjust with tiny amounts of milk or powdered sugar as needed. Once your icing is ready, it's time to decorate. Transfer your icing to a piping bag with a small tip or a squeeze bottle for precise application. Outline your cookies first, then flood the centers. After decorating, the most important step for hardening is patience. Allow your cookies to dry at room temperature for at least 4 to 6 hours, or, ideally, overnight for 8 to 12 hours, to ensure a perfectly hard and durable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.